Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here for a quick video. This is a look around the interior of a 1993 Proton Saga. It's a 1.5 and it is the GL model. It's not the base spec model. The GE is the base spec model. This is, however, a GL. We'll start on this side. Door cards. It's this lovely sort of scratchy cloth trim, and we've got windows that wind up and down using windy handles. We've got a door pocket though on your GL model, and you've also got in here some bits and pieces. What's this? This looks like a fuel filter. It's a fuel filter, and then we've got the battery brackets as well, and that is a wing mirror handle that I actually need, so I need one of those. Winner, winner. Dashboard then, speaker cover here, grills, slats. The GL got you a analog clock. There it is, the analog clock. We've of course got this little stand, which I always say you can use for your sat nav or anything like that. Let's have a look in here then. You've got a little cubby hole there. Ashtray. Car has been smoked in, which is unusual. I'm shocked by that. Let's pull that out. Yep, car's been used and been smoked in. Pulled that cigarette lighter out. We've got this little, oh, that's the ashtray. We've got this little cubby hole as well, which has literally just come apart in my hands. It's good, that, isn't it? It's because it's in upside down, I think. Nope, it was in the right way around. Now it's upside down. Let's put it back in the right way and never touch that ever again. Gear knob, gear lever, of course you've got the handbrake cable here, handbrake here and there. Non-aftermarket, sorry, the aftermarket stereo here, that is a Sony. We pull that out. We've got the wiper arm, and that button press is to use your washers. This car then has got a rev counter, being the GL, and it's covered 151,000 miles from new. We've got this plastic cowling, and actually it normally sags, but it hasn't done so bad there. It is a little bit looser. That clip's broken. Need to sort that out. Horn push, and horn push here as well. That's a bit loose. And then you've got your indicator stalk this side. It is a basic interior to your sort of Mitsubishi Colts and other Protons of this area. Differences normally are additions. So this is missing. This is normally where you'd find a dial, dash, and actually that's a front fog light button. So actually you've got front fog lights as well built in. Interesting. Let's take a look up here. We've got these standard sun visors. They hook into here, which is a standard, you know, rear window mirror. Sorry, I was looking at these people walking past. And then you've got this one with the mirror grab handles and your interior courtesy light. That's for the front, really, pretty much the same. Let's take a look at the back. And then in the back you have got keep fit window winders. No speakers in the rear parcel shelf on this model. And then we've got this lovely sort of scratchy fabric interior as well, in this sort of blue and mottled grey. Ashtray in the back there, and we haven't got original floor mats in this car, which is a shame. But you didn't really get too much more for your money from the GE to the GL version. You got a stereo, you got an aerial, you got a clock, and a cigarette lighter. Hope you've enjoyed the video. This is a quick look around a Proton 1.5 GL. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Take care, and goodbye.